everyone, welcome to my modern living room tour for 2024. In this video I'm going to share with you my current TV setup with a brand new Sennheiser soundbar, the coffee table and sofa setting, the bookshelf on the left hand side, as well as my home office setup behind me, which is a part of living room as well. So let's dive into it. As you can see, our living room is designed with modern aesthetics in mind. It's the place where we spend the most time in the evenings and on weekends, relaxing, enjoying movies and playing video games. I also get some work done here since I have my Artifox desk placed in the corner of the room. Our goal was to make it as comfy and inviting as possible. That's why I aimed for a mix of beige, walnut, black and white colors. I feel like these neutral and earth tones give it a feeling of warmth and coziness. Alright, the first thing we have to chat about is the entertainment centerpiece of the living room, the TV setup. My TV is the LG OLED TV C2. It's the 2022 model, which I picked last year. This is the 65-inch version, which I believe is the perfect size for my living room. It's not too big and not too small. It delivers stunning 4K visuals and perfect blacks, providing a cinematic experience at home. I never buy the current generation TVs just because you can get the previous year models for half of the original price. This TV has super thin bezels and aluminum frame. It supports 4K at 120 Hz, which is perfect for gaming. For the real home theater experience, I have paired my TV with the Sennheiser AMBEO Soundbar Plus. It has a stylish design with fabric wrapping around the front and sides. The whole thing exudes quality and feels incredibly sturdy. On the front of the soundbar are two small LEDs. One lights up with AMBEO whenever the 3D audio mode is engaged. The AMBEO Soundbar Plus includes 7 full-range speakers that work in conjunction with dual 4-inch subwoofers, making 9 speakers in total. It supports Dolby Atmos plus a range of wireless add-ons including AirPlay 2, Chromecast, Spotify Connect and standard Bluetooth playback. The audio it produces is wonderfully clear and rich. I recently watched Dune Part 2 and the soundbar presented the movie with captivating cinematic atmos sound that genuinely felt like it was surrounding me. A soundbar like this one is for you if you want a very good sound but you don't want to be bothered or you don't have the space to build out a full surrounding system with dedicating front, rear and center speakers. In this compact package, I think this soundbar is a brilliant solution for a home theater experience at home. To tie everything together, I have this stunning media unit with walnut elements on the front and graphite color on the other sides. It's from Studio Copenhagen and can be purchased via Home24 in a few countries in Europe. The link to it will be in the description. The width of the media unit complements the TV size. I believe a TV setup looks better when the media unit is wider than the TV for aesthetic balance. It offers enough storage space, allowing me to keep things out of sight. On the right side of the media unit I have a levitating plant which hovers over a black base using magnetic levitation. It's definitely one of the most unique accessories you can get for your space. On the left side we usually have a couple of candles and one of the latest additions to the living room is this cute lamp named Salt from a Germany-based company Grau. There is so much to love about this lamp. First and foremost, it's the design. The lamp is extremely elegant and is made out of metal and glass here in Germany, so it feels expensive and high quality. It contains a rechargeable battery with a maximum runtime of 500 hours, and on medium brightness it still lasts a whopping 150 hours. I haven't seen a lamp which would last anywhere as long as the Salt. You can place it anywhere thanks to the battery. I often use it in my videos, on the background, on the shelving unit, for instance, or on the desk. But normally it stands here on the media unit and creates warm, cozy vibes in the evening for us. It can be switched on and off with a touchpad on the top, and you can adjust brightness with a long touch here as well. To the left of the media unit we have the Dyson Purifier. We primarily use it in the spring and summer. During spring it filters pollen from the air, which greatly helps with my pollen allergy. In the summer it provides a cooling airflow. If you follow me on Instagram, you might know how much I love my new plant, which we have placed on the right of the media unit. I picked it around 1 month ago, and since then it's got 3 new leaves, including the biggest one you can see in the middle. It appears to enjoying its new home. I think this plant looks stylish and I can't wait to see how much it grows. If you're curious about its name, I was too. After a quick Google search, I discovered it's called Strelitzia nicolai. So now we have 2 nicolais in the apartment. So comfortable. Oh my god. Now let's talk about the coffee table and the sofa. Our coffee table is actually a modern bench made by Artifox. It's one of my favorite pieces of furniture in the entire apartment. It can serve multiple purposes like an entry hall bench or even a media unit. However, I prefer to use it as a coffee table. The bench is made entirely from solid walnut, showcasing a beautiful wood grain. To protect its beautiful surface, I use this wool felt mat from Grau, which complements the walnut surface nicely. I appreciate the 2 levels the coffee table offers, allowing me to organize items conveniently. I keep, for instance, a pair of headphones here, which I use exclusively with the TV, and they are always near at hand when I need them. One side of the bench features a steel tray, which is perfect for bottles, drinks, or a nice candle. The other side has a removable canvas pocket for magazines or an iPad. But the bench isn't just functional, it also adds warmth and character to the room. Now let's move on to our sofa. This modern 3-seater sofa is not only comfortable, but also adds a touch of elegance to the room. It's from Sofacompany.com and it goes by the name Gloria, coming in Sofacompany's Danny Cream color, a shade of beige. It complements our wool carpet in beige beautifully. The sofa's industrial design is evident in the contrast between its gentle lounge character and the chrome-plated base on each side. Now let's move on to the home office corner of the room, my desk setup. The foundation of my desk setup is a desk from Artifox. To the left of the desk I have this neat cabinet, which is from Artifox as well, with the matching name side. The desk, as well as the side, are made from solid walnut and steel. They have timeless design and great build quality. I've been using them for a few years already and they are not going anywhere soon. Thanks to its beautiful design and compact size, the desk blends nicely into the living room. It's not only classy, but also features some clever elements for tech. I'm not going to go into the details about it in this video, since I have a dedicated video about my desk setup on my channel. For now, let's just quickly go over the items I have here. My chair is a Vitra Eames softpad leather chair in the all black finish. The chair is a part of aluminium group originally designed by Charles and Ray Eames back in 1969, and it's a perfect example of timeless design. I keep my MacBook Pro in the dock on the side, as well as my desk lamp. This way I have more free space on my desk. It's more convenient to have the MacBook docked here, so that I can grab it easily when going to the office and put it back here and connect it when I'm back home. As for the speakers, these are the new KEF LSX II LT speakers in the graphite grey color option to match my desk setup vibes, and I admire how they look and match the aesthetic and quality of the overall desk setup. The Apple Studio display takes center stage on the desk. For me, as app developer and content creator, it's a perfect monitor with its accurate colors and sharp 5K resolution, which makes everything look amazing. For the details of this desk setup, please check my dedicated video. The link to it is going to be in the description below. The shelving unit next to the desk is from Tamo Design. It's exceptionally sturdy and made from a blend of American walnut and black steel, just like my desk, so that it complements the desk setup very nicely. I'm not cluttering it with many accessories or decorations. On top there is a lovely Vitra bird, and underneath we have our frequently used items like watches and some books. I'm a big fan of these doors made out of glass. I think they look really cool and classy. Last but not least, we have this setup consisting of a bookshelf, wireless speaker and a poster. This stunning speaker is a Bowers & Wilkins Zeppelin wireless speaker. Its unmatched sound quality brings every note to life, and I continue to be impressed by its unique design and aesthetics. The poster is from posterandframe.com, and I think it gets its job done, namely filling this wall. Without it, the wall would be too empty in my opinion. Underneath, in this black box, are all the internet related tech items like a Wi-Fi router and stuff like that. And there you have it, that's my living room tour for 2024. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for spending your time with me today, and I will see you in the next one.